I will perform a rapid quantitative test for identifying deoxynivalenol in wheat. The deoxynivalenol test I am about to use is a Shenzhen Bioeasy Biotechnology Co Limited product. The kit has a plate holder, 4 bottles of deoxynivalenol diluent, 1 manual, and 6 tubes. Each tube has 8 red microwells and 8 test strips. Step 1. Weigh 5 grams of wheat and transfer it to a 50 milliliter centrifuge tube. Add 30 milliliters distilled water, vortex 2500 RPM for 1 minute, or shake it manually 1 to 3 minutes. Centrifuge 4000 RPMs for 3 minutes at room temperature. Take out the centrifuge tube. Step 2. Take the deoxynivalenol diluent. Take 900 microliters of the diluent to the 1.5 milliliter centrifuge tube. Add 100 microliters of the supernatant. Vortex 2500 RPM for 10 seconds. This is our detection solution 1. Step 3. Take the required number of red microwells and test strips, put the rest back to the tube, and close the lid. Put 200 microliters of the detection solution 1 into the red microwell. Mix 4 to 5 times. Insert test strip, incubate for 4 minutes. If the temperature is below 20 degrees, we recommend using Bioeasy incubator for incubation. Step 4. After incubation, take out the test strip. Remove the sample pad and use reader in order to get a quantitative result. Turn on the reader. After self-testing, press Go. Choose Item Mode, press Go. Press square root. In the item mode, search for our item. Open the tray. Place the test strip, close the tray, and press Test. The test charts and numeric results will be displayed on the screen. In the right table, the test number and the deoxynivalenol levels are displayed from left to right. The value below T1 is the residual value of deoxynivalenol in the test sample in microgram per kilogram. When the value below T1 is less than or equal to 1500, you can record the results and finish the experiment. When the value below T1 is greater than 1500, a second test is required. When the value below T1 is greater than 1500, the solution 1 needs to be further diluted. Operation method. Take 100 microliters of test solution 1, transfer it to a 1.5 milliliter centrifuge tube. Add 300 microliters of deoxynivalenol diluent. Vortex 2500 RPM for 10 seconds. We call it detection solution 2. Take the detection solution 2 to repeat the above detection step. When using the reader, select DON Quantitative 2. The value below T1 is the residual value of the deoxynivalenol in the test sample in microgram per kilogram. At the end of the experiment, turn off the reader.